show you how to install this basin waste. It's just a click-clack basin waste running a mill, and it's a slotted, so it's got the overflow. So the idea is the water overflows into there if the sink overfills, and it flows back into the waste and down through your drain. If you install it the wrong way, that way, your basin's going to drain really slowly. It may not even drain at all, so it needs to be lined up with the overflow here so it can flow through. But one of the other things is they always tend to leak around the thread from underneath. So although you get the rubbers with it, I'm going to show you how we do it, and it won't leak.